Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So in this video, actually I'm going to tell you what profits I was able to generate in the month of June. So before we directly jump into the profits, first I want to discuss some of the trade logics which I followed and I was able to do that kind of profit. So in this video, I will try to tell you the logic, maybe what I followed for this month in the month of June, where I was able to generate around 7.5% ROI. So let's see, and after that, I will show the live PNL of my broker account as well, where I trade. So first understand, so mostly I trade in Bank Nifty options. So I'll show what exactly I've done. So this is a Bank Nifty chart. And so if we see in the month of June, the Bank Nifty opened at around this level. That is 43,800 levels. And we can see what was the low that Bank Nifty made. It was 43 around, you can say this one. We can say 43,300 or 350 was the low which Bank Nifty made. And on the upper side, yes, of course, it went till here because the expiry was till 28th of June was the last day in this month. So it was 400, 434, 44, 434 was the high for Bank Nifty. So you can see here, it was almost a 1000 point move in the whole month. So how did I capture this and I made? So before I start, so I would like to, like, who doesn't know, like most of the time I do option selling, but there are times when I do option buying as well, because option buying is not something which you can do each and every day, and it shouldn't be, as I always mention also, that you have to set a particular target for option buying as well. As you already have a defined target in option selling, the same target you have to set for option buying as well. And there are specific days when you need to capture that kind of trade. So yes, of course, I have done on few days, I have done option buying as well. There were some very good days where I captured very good trades, and that you can check in my profit reports, which I have already shared on my Twitter timeline and on the community post of YouTube. So you can check there the verified profit and loss statement from Zerodha. So here I captured, so mostly I'm an optional or selling, and I do positional trades. By positional, I means I carry my positions, overnight position, and I try to build positions. Mostly I will try to build positions either on a Friday, or I will do it on a Monday, depending on my setup or depending on how the market is behaving. Like for example, I will give you an example, like today, as the market is at all-time high, that is, it has already crossed 45,000 as of 3rd of July. So at this point, we have to be cautious that there can be some kind of pullback. So that's why the thing is that I tried here I will try to keep my position a little less. So in the same way, in all these days, as you can see, I created overnight position, but most of my trades, whatever trade I have taken, those were overnight positions. And many of you ask me this question as well. Yes, with hedge, I carry my positions because I don't want to take risk overnight risk. Many of you ask, like, how do I carry mostly overnight position? Yes, definitely I take some intraday positions as well for my trades, but mostly those are overnight and with hedge. So these are the levels where I traded. So most of the days it was like a directional trade when I saw that market was giving a one side direction, and so I carried overnight kind of directional trades. Otherwise it was kind of if the market is kind of sideways, so as an option seller you get points from both the sides, so it was mostly strangles. So I'll try to cover much of my learnings in my coming videos with the setups and all those things. But now I want to share you the PNL, the live PNL, and where I have booked around 27 lakhs profit in both of my accounts. So let's dive in. So this is one of the Zerodha account where I trade. So this is my personal account. So you can see here the profit of 18.4 lakh for the month of June. That is, you can see from 1st of June to 29th of June. And whoever wants to see my verified Zerodha PNL, they can visit my Twitter account or my YouTube community post as well to see the profit statement. So this is the other account where I trade. This is also my own account. So here you can see here I booked around 8.5 lakhs profit. So total I booked around 27 lakhs in both the accounts. So it is around 7.5% ROI on the entire capital. So this is how I have done. So you can visit my Twitter page or a YouTube community post to check on the basically the verified PNL. So this is the PNL for the month of June. The main purpose of this was not to show like this is how much profit I one could make, but the main purpose was like you can learn something because I'm sharing all my analysis video every day. So you can learn from those videos, and even the purpose of this video was that don't try to target for such a high I would say return from the very first month when you have started your trading, but I would always say try to be consistent, try to make small profits, and the most important thing is that whenever you are in loss, try to analyze your loss, why you are in loss. And as I always say that trading is don't take trading as a gambling or something, take trading as a profession, as a business, and try to have a set target, a set risk and reward, and then only you will be able to be profitable in this trading journey. So hope you like the video. If you like, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.